Hi all, this is a shell script program which deals with the system calls. Now in this program what I have done, I've calculated the basic salary of an employee using the shell system calls. The system calls that I've used here are get details, calculate, and then display. Get details, what it does is it gets all the basic employee details, that is its name, the employee number, and the basic salary. When we come to the calculate area, it gives us the calculation of the allowance. Its formula is the basic salary into 0.54. Now we give this input to the basic calculator. BC is its command. Then after that it calculates the total salary of the person. It will print the allowance plus the sum of the allowance and the basic salary. Now in the display, it will display function call. It will print the name, employee number, basic salary, allowance, and the total salary of the person. So I'll start my program. Basically the program will be compiled from this line. Like for I, it will generate a for loop. For I in sequence 1 $n, it's a number that I've given here. It will calculate, do its a for loop syntax. It will first call the calculate function call, invoke the calculate function call. It will go to the calculate, it will start from for I in this line. So it will get the details, first invoke the details function call. As I explained it earlier, it will get all the details, basic details like the name, number, and the salary. Then it will return the information back to this function call. Then it will finish that for loop, again start a new for loop, and then it will call the calculate, invoke the calculate function call. In calculate, as I've explained earlier, it will calculate the allowance and the total salary of the person. Then it will return the values back to this calculate function call. Then it will again print all the name, employee number by invoking the display function call. In the display, it's just getting all those inputs that we earlier calculated, and then printing it here, the name, employee number, basic salary, allowance, and the total salary of the person. I'll compile it and show. So the number of employees that I've entered is, for example, say 2. Employee name first, Flora. Employee number 290. Basic salary like kind of 50,000. Yeah. Employee name 2, we'll keep it as Hazel. Employee number, I'll keep it to 21. Basic salary 2, 40,000. So this is my, now what the program did, I got the details, it invoked the get details function call. Then it invoked, after getting all the details, it invoked the calculate function call. After calculating, it invoked the display function call. Now in the display, it displayed me all the basic information that I gave it, the user input gave, like the name, first name Flora, second Hazel, employee number 290 221. Basic salary that I have entered for both of them respectively is 50,000 and 40,000. Allowance is calculated, that is basic salary in 2.54, 27 and 216, and then the total salary, that is basic allowance plus the allowance. So it's 77,000 and 61600. So this was my shell script program for system calls using Unix commands. Thank you.